boy. Where's the princess? Ow! Ow! My boy, this piece is what all true warriors strive for.
I'm going to turn my attention to the keyboard.
His nose. Don't stop right now.
You dead!
Get online.
PS3 made the best.
I'm going to turn my attention to the keyboard. I'm going to turn my attention to the keyboard.
You two poop.
Oh, that is just not right, Michael. For
Boner.
Come on, Michael.
no.
Find out.
The Sky Foogle. There was a man who turned up round our way once, put up a tent in the park he did, put notices all round the street saying that he was going to put on show a terrifying creature called the Sky Foogle. No one had ever seen this thing before. The show was on for 2 o'clock the next day. Next day we all turned up to see the fiercest animal in the world. The man took the money at the door. We all poured into the tent with a curtain in front of it. We all sat down and waited. The man went off behind the curtain. Suddenly we all heard a terrible noise. There was an awful yelling and crying. There was a noise of chains rattling and someone shouting. Suddenly the man came running onto the stage in front of the curtain. All his clothes were torn. There was blood on his face and he screamed, "Quick! Get out! Get out!"
Special